Hi, I'm Sam Kenkel, the DevOps lead for Meshify. I focus on highly performant, reliable distributed systems. I've been doing this in a couple different industries over the years, starting with video. These days I work primarily within IoT, keeping our platform performant and stable, and that includes our databases such as Scylla. So, as a startup, we built a minimum viable product with the solutions that our devs at the time were most comfortable with, which included, among other things, using a MySQL database to store time series data. And when one of our customers liked what we were doing so much that they purchased us, that gave us the time to go back and re-architect our platform to be more performant and more stable. And when we were doing that re-architecture, we knew that MySQL was not the correct choice for time series data over time, and we did a vendor search. And we looked at that vendor search, we found that there were hosted options, but we were concerned about the vendor lock-in. And when we were considering Cassandra versus Scylla, we found that Scylla was more performant for the hardware. Especially using the AWS AMIs, it is very easy to push to production because a lot of the tuning, which is crucial for Scylla's performance, has been done, which allows for a very reliable, scalable solution to be deployed very quickly. We've evaluated Cassandra and evaluated Dynamo. We found that Scylla had the best performance for the TCO and, without having vendor lock-in.